All right, today my goal and my target is pompano on the fly rod. I got a really remote section of beach here to fish on the fat bike, and may see other fish, may see drum, may see jacks. Well, right now I've got on some porpoises out in the dark water. Right now I've got on a fly for pompano, little fly called the Pompano rocket that I've had many success with before. So beautiful day for the fly rod out here. Not a cloud in the sky, very calm winds. I got the 9 weight with me. And we're going to see if we can't get it done today on the Forgotten Angler, Larry G. Pompano fishing with the fly rod today. See if I can find some interesting structure up here. This is a long stretch of beach here that doesn't have a lot of structure, but you have pinch points. You can see this sandbar out here that pinches in. It's still way, way out there. But those are the kind of spots I like to look for. In the meantime, while I'm cruising, I'll look for drum here in the shallows. There might be some big red drum cruising the beach. You never know. And I would imagine they would eat this fly I've got on here. It's small, but they'll eat it if you can show it to them. Water's crystal clear today. And what do we got up here? This might be a shark. Right on the transition. It's pretty big, whatever it is. Let's see. Let's say, is it swimming? It's definitely swimming, I think. Yeah, it's swimming. Oh. And huh, looks like a shark. Take a look. He disappeared out into the dark water already, but he may come back in. Another dark spot out here, that might be bait. Good sign though. I think that was a shark. Could have been a cobia. Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here. What do we got? Is it a big redfish? Huh. Well, we know which way he's moving, so let me ride up the beach just a little bit. He's traveling this way. Let me see if I can get out in front of him. I think it's a shark. And we'll see if we can get a shot. Okay, just got out here, just got started. All right. Got to act kind of fast here, so let's see if we can get going and get a shot. Oh, right there, there he is. Right there. Water's nice and warm. Water temperature is probably, I don't know, it's got to be pushing 80 degrees at this point. I don't know where he went. Oh, right here. Oh, oh my God, I think that's a school of big redfish. I just blew them up. Oh, no way. No way. Last thing I would have expected to see out here. A big school of big redfish. Right on the beach. I blew them up. There they are right here. Unreal. I don't know if I had the right fly on or not. There's the fish I was originally looking for. Yeah, I need a redfish fly on here. That was crazy. All right, let me see what this guy is. I gotta confirm. Yeah, it's a shark. Oh, and there's more. Another school of fish coming this way. And I'm all hung up. Okay, that's in the neighborhood. What are these guys? Are they redfish? Crazy. I think they're reds. Yeah, I think they're redfish. I'm gonna have to change up flies. Yeah, those are reds. And I have the wrong fly on, but I'm getting good shots. Be awesome if I can hook up here with the wrong fly on. Get that a little further out. There we go. That's right. That's gonna be right in them. Crazy. There's more dark spots out here. I wonder if those are bait balls or. I might have to run to my bag real quick and change flies. All right, I got changed up. That just took a couple minutes. I'm gonna go ride back down here, see if I can catch up to that school. I got my original colored Fort Pickens special on here, which is kind of pearlescent and white. Right there. Got him. Yeah, that's them right there. Couple schools. 2 groups right here. If I can get my shit together. Okay. Now we're cooking with gas. Let me get out just a little bit further. That's the cast right there. Okay. We are in the neighborhood. Sinking right now. Sinking right now. I lost the fish. Oh. Lost the school. Lost them. Man, there's a lot of stuff going on out here today. What's that big shape? Hauling butt. Right here. What is that? It's moving, whatever it is. Another shark? Yeah, I think that's a shark. Yeah, it's a shark. Man, this place has come to life. Water temperature blew up this week, and there are happy fish everywhere. Here we go. School of Reds. A mighty cast. So yeah, get it 20 to 30 feet in front of them, let it sink. Wait till they get in the zone, start moving it a little bit. Come on, we want to hook up. Come on. Ladyfish. But they got some of the reds excited right there. Did you see that? They did. The reds saw the ladyfish getting crazy, and they came in to investigate what was going on. That was kind of cool. Oh, come on. Come on. Find it. Yeah, ladyfish were trying to tag it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Big school of jacks! Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh! All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh shit. So hard. Pretty good cast. It's behind them all. Oh. Holy Holy shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I snapped my fly off. Damn it. All right, that's a disaster. All right. Let's go. All right, we're just gonna have to go heavier. That was a massive school. There is so much going on out here right now. I don't know if I can, shit, I don't know if I can get this going and chase those fish down, unfortunately. That's going to be a monumental effort. Those fish are gone. They are gone. But we can try and then I can come back. This guy in the boat's not even looking the right way. They're going by him. All right, let's go. Had the bastard surrounded. I think they just got too nervous.
Yeah, they followed it like 3 times.
Yeah. Oh. Come on, get him. Huh. That was heartbreaking. Probably had 10, 15 good casts in that school of jacks. They weren't neat. Guy in the boat, same. He was all over them. Okay, well, we'll go back to square one. That was super exciting though. Holy, that's what it's all about out here. Those opportunities, they are few and far between. Sometimes you get the fish to eat and sometimes they don't. Fat biking barefooted, chasing jacks, redfish, everything else on the beach right now. That was awesome. I just ran out of gas, man. Ran out of gas.